Curious about the new Sora video app by OpenAI? We're here to break it down for you. I'm Jessica, and in this video, I'll tell you everything you need to know about Sora. Now let's get started. To start off, what is Sora? Sora is a very cool and innovative AI app that allows users to generate video clips. These videos can feature their own likeness and those of public figures, like your favorite social media influencers. This is done through a feature called Cameos that allows you to create a digital representation of yourself that can be used for your own videos and shared with others so you can be a character in your friends' video creations. You can also use Sora to reimagine existing video clips and images from your device, or remix videos created by other users. The app is free to download and use and is currently available in the US and Canada, but will be rolling out globally soon. How does Sora work? You provide a text description of the scene you want, and Sora will generate a video according to what you've asked for. You can be more specific with your prompt to direct the specific types of shots you want included, and other details to make your video exactly how you want it to look. You can use it to create funny clips, product demos, cinematic videos, and more. Something fairly unique about Sora is that the AI understands motion and physics, like how water splashes, how light reflects, or how a person walks, making your videos look much more realistic. Want to try out Sora for yourself? Check out our beginner's guide next. Click the video on your screen now to watch. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, we'd love it if you'd hit the like button below and subscribe to our channel. We put out great new tech tutorials like this one every day.